Hi everyone, it's Sheena with Dancing Daisy Designs, and today is the IOD 2024 summer release, and there's a whole brand new category in this release, so let's go check out what's new. In this release, we have 3 new stamps, 2 new transfers, 4 new molds, 1 new paint inlay in 2 different colors, and a whole brand new category. So exciting! Let's get started out first with our 3 brand new stamps. The first one is called Charlotte. Charlotte is inspired by like the Edwardian Victorian era, and it's got kind of like an eclectic vibe, and it was made with like a collage mixed media kind of feel in mind. To me, it's got like a steampunk feel because of the cogs, and I feel like that can just like you can lean that steampunk really easy. And it's supposed to represent kind of like the wheels turning in the female mind. Ooh, how neat is that? The next stamp is called Ephemeral Type, and this one is inspired by 18th and 19th century historical documents, ephemera, and the fancy handwriting that people had back then, and the like really neat ornate postage stamps. This stamp is going to be great for like creating backgrounds, for mixed media art, for small decor projects, even paper arts. I feel like this one is a must-have. The third stamp is called Garden Bouquet, and this one is inspired by a beautiful English garden, and it includes roses, tulips, daisies, and hydrangeas, all with really great crisp detail. This stamp is so fun to create like a bouquet type of situation with the included masks. The example here is how they did that, and then they've also got an example here where they did it on a tea towel, and I think it looks just darling. Next, we have our transfers. The first new transfer is called Rose Botanical, and this one is a 12 by 16 8-sheet transfer. Those 8 sheets include beautiful antique botanical illustrations with a variety of rose species and colors. They're wonderfully detailed. We have the roses with like a lot of petals, the very intricate roses, and then the more simple, delicate roses as well. And I love it whenever they include the catalog names in there as an option for you to use on your projects. I personally love using those on my projects, and look at the wonderful examples they have here. This beautiful yellow piece is amazing. Look at how good those transfers look distressed, and these other examples are just gorgeous. This is a really good transfer with lots of different pieces on it that you can use on multiple projects. Next, we have the Fairy Tale Floral Transfer, and this one is beautiful 8 by 12 transfer with 8 sheets. This one was inspired by historical textiles and pottery. They actually found a book of old designs that they used on pottery in China, and that's where they got these beautiful illustrations from. They're so super charming, and they were very thoughtful in what they put in here. We've got lots of beautiful borders, we've got ovals, we've got mirrored images so that you can create like really thoughtful layouts with that. And I feel like the coloring, like the delicate coloring, just like feels so fairy tale to me. And these examples are just beautiful. I love this one. I pulled one aside for myself definitely because I can't wait to use this one. It's now time for our new category. Did you guess right as to what it is? IOD has a brand new line of foil transfers. The gilded transfer line is going to be an amazing smash hit with IOD customers and complement the IOD line so well. Our first gold foil transfer is called Curated Signage, and this is a 12 by 16 4-sheet foil transfer. People who have been fans of IOD for quite a while are going to be so excited to see 3 new favorites come back in this foil transfer. We have Queen of the Nile, the Finicky Fox, and La Fleur coming back for this release. These were three of the most popular transfers that IOD started out with early on. There's a new design in here called Repertoire. Just look at how good they look used on these examples. They are going to be amazing smash and kick off this new IOD line so well. But wait, there's more. You didn't think IOD was just going to come out with one of their new gold foil transfers, did you? This transfer is called Etiquettes, and this is a 12 by 16 4-sheet foil transfer. It includes 4 pages of beautiful typography and compositions inspired by things like calling cards from the 1800s and that fancy, beautiful, over-the-top style that they had in that age. These were put together in such a way that you could take a whole section and have like your beautiful piece with the background included, or you could just cut out the smaller section that you like and use that by itself. These look amazing just straight on glass, or put on a darker background, or even on white. So what are you guys thinking of the new category, the gilded transfers? Do you love them? I'm so excited. I can't wait to use them. And if you use any of the new products or even any of the old products, make sure that you're following me on Facebook and Instagram and post what you're doing, because I'd love to see your projects. Next, we have our new molds. There are 4 molds in this release. The first one is called Bows, and this one is inspired from Greek draperies and textiles. These types of bows can be found in so many different architectural elements in that time and age. And don't forget that all of our IOD molds are food safe. So this would be perfect to use in chocolate or candy arts. Imagine this on the side of a cake. Our next mold is called Oak Leaves and Acorns. This is a true beauty, especially for fall. And the detail on this is so amazing. Look at that. It looks like hand-carved wood because of the intricacy of this. This mold is going to be great for furniture as well as decor, and it's going to play super well with some of our other molds that are already released. The next mold is called Felicity, and this is a new format for our molds. It's a deeper set mold, and it's a 5 by 7, so they shrunk it a little bit, but they made it twice as deep as our regular molds. So you're going to get a deeper impression for your roses on this one, and I feel like it lends itself to that carved wood look, just like the oaks and acorns. And I feel like this one is going to be very versatile and very popular. This last mold is called Persephone, and this is also our new format, the 5 by 7 mold, but it's twice as deep. This is a Greek and Roman type of style of the female form, and I feel like this one is deceptively simple. There's a lot that you can do with this. Like, just imagine like a floral wreath on her head, just as an idea. Wow. Our last category is paint inlays, and in this release we have one new paint inlay in 2 different colors. The name of this inlay is Delft Traditions. The first color is Azure, which is a deep blue, and the second one is Noir, which is a soft black. These are based off of Delft ware, which is a type of tin glazed pottery that was made in the 17th century Netherlands. And apparently it's a very sought after pottery that is quite expensive. So the IOD sisters came out with this paint inlay so that people can create their own Delft ware look. Just looking over these beautiful pages from somebody who's never heard of Delft ware, I see the beautiful like floral motifs, and the wreaths are going to be gorgeous and beautiful to use. We've got these smaller pieces here with like the farm animals, which really like feels French country to me. And then the beautiful borders on here, gorgeous. And then they have a few pages here of like a background. I think these are just amazing, and I think that the color choices with the dark blue and the soft black are perfect. So which one is your favorite? Do you prefer the soft black or the deep blue? I think the deep blue looks amazing, but the black is so good too. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and seeing all of the brand new products from IOD. Comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. You can find all of the products that you saw today at dancingdaisydesigns.com, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.